When diving into the world of welding as a beginner, seeking profitable project can be both rewarding and beneficial with numerous options available. Selecting the right project can pave the payoff home skills while gathering income from crafting custom metal artwork to constructing practical household items like shelves, tables, adventures, furniture like wall art serve as numerate furniture, especially as we growing market for unique handcraft goods, exploring welding project that blend creativity with functionality not only enhance proficiency but also open door to potential sales through online platform or local market. The project offer beginners the hands of learn to refine your welding techniques while establishing foothold to profitable reclaim of metalworking. Welcome to your guide to lucrative welding project with beginners. Either you are new welding for looking to turn hobby into a profitable venture. The video is packed with idea tailored for you. You are explored diverse welding project at perfect beginners, offering step-by-step instruction. Metal art piece, practical household items with project not only home your welding skills but also have the potential to generate income. Let's dive into the diverse how to kickstart your welding journey while the making money along with the way. Welcome to your guide on welding project tailored for beginners to the dynamic market welding skills offer gateway to large opportunity for those starting in the craft and initiate step are crucial. Let's explore crafted list project design into the refine your welding opportunity but also for profitable return. From crafting custom metal art pieces, that projects strike a balance between skills, achievement, and functional visibility. Learning your newfound welding expertise, you can tap into the niche market, turning your passion into the profitable venture. So let's dive into the verse to the beginners. A friendly welding project can be gateway to the broad creativity of financial access. Are you aspiring welder looking to turn your passion into profit? Welding world of endless possibilities where creativity meets craftsmanship. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore five exploring a new hobby or entrepreneur seeking to generate income through your welding skills. Those projects offer perfect starting point from practical household items to unique and profitably join us exciting journey as we develop into the world of welding, uncovering the step-by-step precautions, materials insight, market potential behind each project, geared to spark your creativity and let dive into the world of welding for profit. Welding project tailored for beginners. Either you are new to welding for seek way to turn your hobby into the lecture venture. This video will walk you through the innovative practical welding project can generate. Coordinate and practical household items. This project can be only beginners friendly but require cost estimation and marking strategies to help you how you creation. effectively stay turned we develop into the exciting world of welding unless your creativity potential while earning money. From crafting custom metal pieces, fabricating practical household items like shelves, tables, simple furniture, either your area project that can be unbroken, exploring welding project tailored to beginners not only allow individuals to practice fundamental techniques but also offer the opportunity to tap into the market where custom made metalwork to highly value. By selecting projects that align with skills level and investing to the right equipment, beginners can embark you to profitable journey in welding, gauging experience while turning their passion into the lucrative adventure. We have curated selecting 5 creative welding projects tailored especially for beginners. Not only will these projects help you on your welding skills, but they are also promises substantial profitable from crafting decorative metal art pieces to constructing practical yet aesthetically pleasing furniture. Each project is meticulously designed to provide perfect balance, challenge, and feasibility to those starting out the welding craft, you growing expertise, but also potential source of impressive income. Exploring profit welding project that cater to noise can be excellent starting point. One such project involved crafting custom metal furniture pieces being with smaller items like side tables